everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the creator of the Ultimate Weight Loss Program, and this is where I show you recipes from my book, The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, that will help you achieve healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. Today, I'm going to be making one of my favorite fall recipes, which you can actually make any time of year, but apples are so prevalent this time of year, and it's called apple pie ice cream, and it really does taste like apple pie, and it's really good on the apple pie squares from my book. So very few ingredients, very simple. In the blender, I already have my non-dairy milk. You can use your non-dairy milk of choice. I like to use an unsweetened one, of course, without oil. I'm using unsweetened vanilla almond milk, but you can certainly make it yourself with many of the recipes from my first book on process. Very easy to make your own almond milk or hemp milk. And I have my spices already in the blender, and I have already frozen and measured out, because I know I'm going to make this all the time, my frozen apples and my frozen bananas. Make sure your bananas are ripe and you peel them before freezing, because it's really hard to get the peel off if you don't. And I'm using my favorite apple, which is the envy apple. When you're using fresh, whole, natural food like fruit, your recipe will only be as sweet as the fruit. So make sure you get the sweetest fruit if you want the sweetest result. And as you know, all my recipes are SOFAs-free, free of sugar, oil, flour, alcohol, and salt. So I'm just going to put everything in the blender. Very easy, especially because I do measure it out in advance. And I'm using this really cool new blender from Instant Pot that I didn't use correctly on episode 99 because I hadn't read the book, but now I know that it does start and stop on its own. So you just have to always make sure that this is sealed or it won't work. It's a safety feature. And I'm going to turn it on. It will start and stop, but that is a safety feature of the blender, and it's just really cool technology. You get this for under $100 at Walmart, and it's made by Instant Pot, who makes the best pressure cooker. So it just takes a moment before it starts, and then it's going to beep, and you'll see it'll do its magic. And that's okay. It's going to do that. There you have it. Nice, thick, delicious. Whoops. I'm throwing everything today. Just shows you. So look at this, guys. It's so good. You know, when I went to the University of Pennsylvania, they had a flavor called apple pie ice cream that was absolutely one of my favorites. Look at this. And if you want, you can garnish it with a little apple on top. But this is so decadent. It's dairy-free, it's sugar-free, it's delicious. And you'll find the recipe on page 259 of The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Chef AJ. I make healthy, taste delicious so that you can have both the health and the body you so richly deserve. Thanks.